decided to ignore my call because you were not.
Ma?
You are a fool.
No.
So you didn't hear I was calling you?
No, ma. Nobody told me.
You are a pathetic liar!
No, nobody told me you were.
You were told I was calling you.
That's not
You chose to ignore me because of this food.
Ma, that's not true, ma.
Is this food running away? Or is this food more important than me?
Ma,
Your princess!
Nobody told me you were calling me. No, ma. How can I hear you calling me and I won't come to answer you?
You are still dead.
No.
I look like a joke to you. Now listen to me. Because of this nonsense you just did right now, I am going straight away to instruct the chef not to give you food again in this house. No more food for you in this palace for the next 3 days and 2 nights. And if she gets faults my order, I will get her sacked.
But ma, I told you.
I am still talking. You are there chatting nonsense. I look like your sister. No, I look like your family members, and you are mad.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.